August 26, 2021, brilliant Venus shines in the western sky after sunset. Watch it close the gap to Spica, leading up to their conjunction during early September. Look for Jupiter and Saturn in the southeast at the same time Venus is in the western sky. Chart caption, 2021, August 26, Venus approaches Spica. The star Porma is to the upper right of Venus. By Jeffrey L. Hunt. Chicago, Illinois, sunrise, 6:11 a.m. CDT, sunset, 7:33 p.m. CDT. Check local sources for sunrise and sunset times for your location. Venus continues to shine brightly after sunset from the western sky. It is easy to pick out in the colorful hues of evening twilight. Bright Jupiter and Saturn are in the southeastern sky at the same time Venus is in the west. Evening star Venus sets 88 minutes after sundown. Jupiter and Saturn are visible nearly all night. Saturn sets in the southwestern sky about 2 hours before sunrise. Jupiter follows nearly 90 minutes later. This evening, Venus is near the star Porma and it is moving toward a September 5 conjunction with Spica. About 45 minutes after sunset, use a binocular to spot Porma 3.5 degrees to the upper right of the sparkling planet. Both easily fit into a binocular's field of view. Porma is a double star, two stars that revolve around a common center of gravity. A small telescope is needed to see the two stars separately that are about the same brightness, and they are described as yellow or white through an eyepiece. The double star was first observed over 400 years ago. Their orbital period is over 170 years. Spica, the brightest star in Virgo, is 11.5 degrees to the upper left of Venus. The name means ear of corn. The star is the 10th brightest visible from mid-northern latitudes and the 14th brightest from anywhere on Earth. It is vivid blue-white. The star is about 600 light-years away and it shines with the intensity of over 10,000 suns. During the next several days, watch Venus move away from Porma and toward Spica. The change is noticeable each evening. Venus moves quickly compared to the starry background. Detailed daily note: 1 hour before sunrise, the moon, 17.8 d, 84%, is nearly 50 degrees up in the south-southwest. Jupiter is less than 5 degrees up in the west-southwest. 25 minutes after sunset, Mercury is over 4 degrees up in the west and 17.4 degrees to the lower right of Venus. Use a binocular. 15 minutes later, Venus is about 8 degrees above the west-southwest horizon, 3.5 degrees to the lower left of Porma and 11.5 degrees to the lower right of Spica. The ear of corn is over 10 degrees above the west-southwest horizon. Farther eastward, Saturn is nearly 17 degrees above the southeast horizon. Jupiter, 17.8 degrees to the lower left of the ringed wonder, is about 10 degrees above the east-southeast horizon. As midnight approaches, the bright moon, 18.6 d, 78%, nearly 20 degrees up in the southeast, is 15.5 degrees to the lower right of Hamel, Alpha Ari, m equals 2.0. Jupiter, over 1/3 of the way up in the south-southeast, is 2.8 degrees to the upper right of Iota Acher, 0.5 degrees to the lower left of Mu Cap, and 2.8 degrees to the upper left of Deneb Algedi. Saturn, less than 30 degrees in altitude and west of meridian, is 1.1 degrees to the lower left of Upsilon Cap.